Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to install mods in Palworld. So to install mods in Palworld, open Steam app and then from your library, open Palworld. Once you are at this page, click Workshop. And here you will find many mods for Palworld. Let's go to most subscribed and install this mod, Paldar. Minimap. It will add minimap to the game, like this small window, small map at the top. So to install it, all we have to do is to subscribe to it. Mod subscribed means mod installed in Palworld. Now all we have to do is to activate this mod from the game. And here are the details to use it. Keybinds Z key to toggle mega zoom. H to show hide minimap. Okay, H and Z. So once you have installed a mod, go back to library and Palworld and then start the game. 562 hours playtime, by the way. Okay, so now this is title screen. From title screen, click options. Select this option, mod management, and then enable mod. Make sure enable mod is on as well. Okay, so this mod requires this as well. So enable these mods and then press save button. Game will restart. Let's start the game. And there we have it, minimap. At the top right corner. H key to enable disable it, and then there was Z key. Wow, this is cool. So this is how you can find, install and use mods in Palworld officially. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.